is up, my beauty bears? I am back with another video. I thought that I should come on back, so I decided to come on back. This video would not be a makeup tutorial, as you can tell by the title. I wanted to do yet again another haul because I'm thinking you have some makeup that you bought that you have a lot of that is from one brand and you never made a video about it, so why not make a video about it while you come up with other ideas to do videos for. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to be doing it from the makeup brand of iMAGIC makeup. I have it in this container here. Don't pay attention to this sign. This is for something else. It's on the way. This is for something else, but I have everything in here, and yeah, I'm not going to really be putting on the makeup because, as you can see, I already have it on, but I will definitely let you know in this video how I feel about it and what I think. So I guess you could say it's like a mini review slash old haul, because I done been had this and I done been tried it out. But I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see what I think about this makeup, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palettes. I bought two. I have the 16 color eyeshadow palette. This is, I guess it just does not have a specific name. It just has 16 colors. And then I have the 14 color eyeshadow palette, starting off with the 16 color. This is what it looks like, and of course it has a little covering to go with it, but this is what the palette looks like overall. I have to say, these colors are pigmented. You do not have to take the brush and dig to get these colors to show up, to blend, to do anything that you need for it to do. So I really like these colors. It is very beautiful. It is a very beautiful palette. I think I'm going to swatch just a few of them. I'm going to swatch like two of the really shimmery ones, and then I'm going to swatch two of the matte ones. Let's see. Let's do this one here. And like I said, these eyeshadows here are not, you know, weak in any stance. When I say color, even the mattes have color. These colors are absolutely no joke. And this is the 16 color palette. What really drew me to this palette was this red right here and this black, because I don't really find a lot of red eyeshadows in eyeshadow palettes, especially when they're online. So when I saw this, I had to get it, and their names are so beautiful. You have Drive, and then Bold, and then Wine, and Drama, and Bubble, and Vamp, and I just think the names absolutely go with the palette all together. And the same thing with the 14 color palette. I just feel that this one is a little bit more on the warmer side, and it actually comes with a brush. These colors are very good as well, and I feel like some of the colors that are in the 14 color palette are also in the 16 color palette. So I'm just going to swatch a few of these like I did the other ones, and I'm just going to show you guys how they come off, because it is absolutely beautiful. It is pigmented. If you are looking for a palette that is not over the top expensive and you gotta spend all this money to get something that you want out of an eyeshadow palette, I think these are very good. Those are the swatches. They are absolutely beautiful. And again, I have the 14 palette eyeshadow palette and I have the 16 eyeshadow palette, and I think both are absolutely great quality. You should try them if you want to. Don't just go off of my word. Try them yourself and see the way that you like them. And if you don't like them, bless somebody else with them, because you never know. They very well could like them themselves. So again, I absolutely love these palettes. They are absolutely beautiful, and of course these are something that I could be using on a day-to-day basis. So these are bomb. Now you guys, I have more of the face products like the primer and the powder, and I really did like these. And one more thing, the eyeshadows did not have claims, but I'm noticing that more when you get towards like the eyebrows and the primer and the powder and the lipstick, they have more of claims on them. So we're going to read the claims. And this is the high definition primer, and this says unique transparent silicone gel base, presents silky and natural skin via light reflection, fresh gel texture, let your skin breathe freely, no burn at all, contain oil control powder which can absorb the essence of sebum and prepare skin to help makeup stay for a long time. Now I did try this out, and I think the texture is absolutely smoothing and beautiful. to fold. This is what it comes in. I don't know what type of packaging this is, if you want to call it mesh, but it does come with a pump, thank God, so you don't have to dip it out. But it does come with the pump, and it is a silicone filled as it claims to be. And I tried it up under my makeup, I think twice, and it really stayed, especially with, I had some setting powder, and I had some setting spray, so this really helped. But by itself, it really smoothed my skin out. It helped cancel out my pores, and I really did like this a lot. And also, I use this powder on top as well, and I dusted it very lightly because I believe that this is a banana powder. I believe so, but I am not sure. But this is the super matte loose powder. And that is true. It is super matte, and of course it has a yellow undertone, and this is the way that it looks. It has a little, what you call that thing right there? The puff. It has the puff right there, and it does have the stopper, which I like, because y'all know sometimes these powders can get out of hand to the point where you look like you are actually baking something where you're doing your makeup at. So I like that it has a stopper and it has the powder puff. And the claims for this is: select the exported raw minerals, fine powder soft like a feather, unique oil control powder structures, keep the makeup delicate for a long time. And it did. My face did not look cakey, because normally up under my eyes sometimes it'll look a little bit cakey, like I've really piled it on. But I have to say, using a little bit of this powder goes a long way, and I really like the way that it looked on my skin. And the thing is, this doesn't have like an actual name, but it does have a number, which is 09. And yeah, I think this was just the primer as well. It doesn't really have like a, you know, like fresh face primer or whatever. But yeah, this is just in 06, and this is more of like the banana powder. I got more of the darker powder because I wanted to use it like if I wanted to bake or dust it lightly on my face, and I did. And both of these worked absolutely beautifully together. It was not too cakey, it was not too matte, looking like my face was the Sahara Desert. I'm just playing, the Sahara Desert. Shout out to me. The Sahara Desert. And I really liked it together, and it was absolutely beautiful on my skin. Next, we have their mineralized blush. Now, y'all know what this look like. Y'all already know what this look like. I don't have to say a word. Y'all know what this look like. But this is their mineralized blush, and again, this does not have like an actual name to it, but that don't make no difference to me. That doesn't stop me from buying a product. It really doesn't. But as long as it's good and it works good for me. If it would come out of the box, oh my lord, get out of there. Okay, and this again is in an actual number. I believe that this is 06, and this is what this looks like. I'm pretty sure someone can come up with a name from a different brand from what this looks like. But you know what? Hey, it's beautiful. It worked beautifully on my skin. I like colors that are like this, you know, that I don't know how to, it's like, I don't know how to explain this. But it is a very beautiful color for blush for my skin complexion. And I absolutely loved it. And their packaging is so professional. I absolutely love their packaging. So that is their blush. And I used it today, and it gave me a nice little accent. I didn't put too much. I'm not too much of a blush person, but I didn't put too much, and it was absolutely beautiful. Next, we have these products right here. I have a mascara, which the box is somewhere. Don't judge me. And then I have an Audible eyebrow pen, and then I have a liquid eyeliner, and I have eyebrow pomade. And I wanted to show this pomade because I thought it was so unique. It has a little brush with it that looks like this. It has a little brush with it, and then when you expand it out, it turns out to, you know, you have the, I don't even think you can see, okay, there we go. You have the spoolie side, and then when you turn it over, you have the actual side where you do your eyebrows. And of course, this is just like a regular pomade, but I have to say that this pomade is extremely creamy, and so a little bit does go a long way. And I think I got a shade that was a little bit too light for me, but of course that was on me. But this is in dark brown, and I loved it for my eyebrows. It was absolutely beautiful, and it filled them in nicely. And when I went over it with my eyebrow pencil, which this is the Audible eyebrow pen, and I got this one in dark brown. Of course, it comes with the product on this side. I hope y'all can see that because sometimes I'm bad at this. It comes with the actual product, and then it comes with a spoolie, which I really like this one because it is nice and stiff, the way that I like for my spoolies to feel. So that way I feel like I'm actually doing something to my eyebrows and not just trying to lightly brush over them. And the claims for this is, it's basically saying that you get easy eyebrows, like in a very easy way, in a very quick way. And of course it's a retractable pencil, and you of course twist it up and then you twist it back down. So yeah, and it's smudge proof, it's ultra smooth, and it's a long wearing formula. And the claims for this one is smudge free, it is waterproof, all-in-one brow product, is creamy, multitasking, and it glides on the skin and hair smoothly, which that is true. That is very true. It's like butter, and it defies the brows, and it stands out, and it just gives it structure. So these two together are absolutely great. You have something that is very, very smooth, and you can go in with something that is very, I have to say that this one is harder. Like it has more of a stiff structure to it, but if you want to go in with this one first, that's fine. If you want to go in with this one first, that's fine. So both of them are great in my opinion. And then I have some mascara. This is the Giant Brush Perfect Mascara, and when they say giant brush, they mean giant brush. That is huge. I don't know if you can, there we go. That is absolutely huge, and it gets them lashes done well. I wish I still had the box to read the claims, but I don't. But I wore it today, flared my lashes up. I just had to take them off because homegirl was getting aggravated, but I really liked it, and the formula was great. And I also have this liquid eyeliner, and there is no claims for this, but this is in Boot Black, and it's just the regular, you know, I can't say that this is in a tube. I don't know if you would say that this is in a tube or not, but that's the way it look. And this is the tip. I have to say that this tip is very stiff, and it helps to get the eyeliner on. I think I'm doing this too close. I don't know. My kid, come help me. It's very stiff, and it's just a good eyeliner. And when I say black, I mean black. And to me, it's not the type of eyeliner that when you put it on, it's glossy. No, this is a matte black, So I like these two together, and the formula is just good on both. I think the formula in this whole doggone line is just good. I don't know what they did, but the formula is just good. It works well together. So again, if you want to try it out for yourself. You might like it, you never know. Okay, lastly, I have some lip products, starting out with the actual lipstick. It says it is rich in vitamin E, beeswax moisturizing ingredients, repair lip lines and protect any pollution from the outside world. Delicate texture, silky and pigmented. Any sexy lips deserve to have it. And as we know, I do not have sexy lips, but you know what? I try. But this is what the packaging looks like. And again, this is in a number, and this is in 08. It did not give like an actual name for this lipstick, which, like I said, it's all good. It's cool. But this is what this looks like. How is that not beautiful? Now on camera, I think it's coming off more of a pink. Where can I put this so you can see it? It's coming off more of a pink. But when I say matte, I mean matte. It is a matte, beautiful color. And it doesn't really have a smell. It really doesn't have a smell to it, which if it had a smell or not, I really wouldn't care. But this color, I don't know what it is, but when I'm going to pick out colors online, I immediately go for the red. That's what I go for, and I'm so glad that I picked this because it is so beautiful, and the claims of it being silky smooth and all those things are true. It's a matte, but it's not a drying, like I'm pulling my lips apart matte. It's not that type. It is very, very smooth, and I absolutely love this lipstick. And I also have a lip gloss, but I feel like this is more of like a metallic lip gloss. And the thing is that I like about this, it actually gives you tips on how to apply this. It says look in the mirror and put your lip gloss on within the lip line. It actually gives you instructions, which to me, I don't know why that's funny. I really don't. But this product does not have claims on it, but this is what this looks like. Come on. This is a metallic, and it comes off creamy and smooth. I don't even think y'all can see that. Can you see that? That's that right there. Hopefully you can see that if it'll clear up, but that's that right there. And this is in the number 3. I don't know what it is about these formulas in this actual makeup, but it's not drying, it's not cracking, it doesn't come off when you put it on, it doesn't transfer. To me, it does not transfer, and I just absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I would be the type of person to use this as an eyeshadow. I sure would. I would use it as an eyeshadow. But again, this does not have any claims. I guess if you want to know the claims, you can go online. Most of the time it's all on AliExpress, but it's just awesome. I absolutely love it. And this is the color lip gloss. And now I have this says the beauty lip gloss, but this is actually a liquid lipstick. And again, no claims on this one, but this is what it looks like. Now in liquid lipsticks, I'm immediately going for the dark. Liquid lipsticks, I'm going for the dark colors. I have an actual like makeup storage thing, and it's small storages, but then it has this one big drawer, and that drawer has nothing but dark liquid lipsticks in it. Nothing but dark liquid lipsticks. I don't know what that is about, but it is absolutely beautiful to me. The colors that they arrange is so beautiful. And this is in 19. And again, this is more of a liquid lipstick. Where can I put this so you can see it? I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it here. That's what that looks like. That's that color right there. Beautiful color. And to me, it's a little bit moussey. It is a little bit moussey, which that's fine, because I mean, I don't want cement on my lips. So I can see where they get the point of lip gloss from. But these are the 3 lip products that I got. I absolutely love every last one of them. This is a beautiful color. All of them are beautiful colors, and I love the formula in all of it. Everything in this haul, I absolutely love the formula of it. It is awesome. Alright, you guys, that is it for this haul. If you want to go and try out iMAGIC makeup, go try it out. Do not just go off of my opinion. Go try it yourself. If you don't want to try it, that is totally fine. But all in all, I absolutely love this brand. The formulas, the textures, the consistency, the pigmentation of it all is just absolutely beautiful and so well crafted. And I think that they deserve more recognition than what they have. But I love it. If you want to go and purchase it, most of the times it is on AliExpress. I don't know if you can find it like on Amazon or eBay. I've never really tried. But AliExpress is mainly where you can get it from, and they have more things there like single eyeshadows, and I think I saw like some concealer there or something like that, which I didn't see before, because if I did, homegirl would have got it. But these are the things that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.